pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful bob wig. I did actually cut it a little bit shorter because I wanted it to lay right on my shoulders, so I had to go and cut it. I don't know if it cuts straight, but for now this will have to work. But before I jump into the installation of the wig and how I got this look, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. They sent me some Luvme hair clip, some wig label sticker, head tie to tie your wig down, some stocking cap, and the wig bag to put your wig in when you're done wearing it. Now for the wig, I think this wig is a 7x6 if I'm not mistaken, because it does have a very wide parting space. So if I'm not mistaken, it is probably 7x6, but do not quote me guys. I've been going through so many wigs so it's like I don't really remember the specs of each wig, but like always, if you want to know what length it is exactly, the specs of the hair and every little details, you have to check down in the description box, because that's where I have literally everything that is connected to this wig. But for the most part, I do think it is a 7x6 closure. It is silky straight. It probably came in like a 12-inch, I want to say, and then I cut it down to probably a 10 or an 8. I don't know, one of the two. But it is definitely giving. Honestly guys, I'm still working on my bob wig. Like I feel like I want to get that perfect bob wig. This is close to what I've always wanted to achieve, but I do think it needs a little bit more work. But for now, I think it can work, it can go on. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
In the meantime, just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you
focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I can't, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Yeah, a whole lot of red rubies on my neck.